Hi friends, I'm Mayuresh. So today's topic is Amazon Basics Tripod Unboxing. So it comes with this box. So let's open the box. So it comes with this high quality strip which you can easily carry. Let's open this. And this, you get this plastic and this high quality tripod. As you can see, the quality of tripod is simply awesome. It's made of full metal. See, you can make it stand over here. You also get a bubble meter here to adjust this bar. See, you get a bubble meter to set it straight. Let's open the tripod. My height is 5.2 inches and it comes near my chin, so you can see the height. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe channel for more awesome content like this. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.